Yeah, hello. Today I'm just testing some computer components. Um, Somebody in another video asked me to make a video of me building my computer, but that's going to be some months away probably still. So, yeah, at least a couple weeks away. So I thought I'd make a quick video of me testing some computer components. Right now, I'm testing this GPU, which I've owned for a number of years. Somebody gave it to me for free when I bought a motherboard and PSU off them. Anyway, let's push the power button down here and see if we get a video display. Well, we got fans. Also, I haven't tested the RAM that's in this system, but some DDR3, some old kit that I picked up used, in a box of RAM. Well, we got a light here. What's that light? EVGA LED, which is behind the graphics card, but I can see through this graphics card, luckily, to read it. So the VGA light is on, so this GPU may very well not work. Let's shut her down and replace the GPU and see. There's no DRAM LED on, so yeah, I'm going to assume this graphics card's no good. Cool, let's pause it here. So this is my first desktop graphics card that I ever bought. It was actually part of a pre-built 6670 there, if that dates me. I'd actually played on laptops before I bought this guy, but I'm 99% sure this still works. So no external power connection necessary. By the way, this is my homemade test bench. I cut up an old case to get the motherboard tray back when old cases were a dime a dozen, but now old cases just don't exist. Anyway, that's clicked into place. Power supply on. Power on. You can see my display down there. Oh. You got the VGA light and the boot LED light again. Interesting. Shall we try a different slot on the motherboard? I'm pretty sure this motherboard worked for years, so I don't see a reason why it doesn't work. Clicked in. I'm not even going to bother screwing it in here. It's fine. No VGA light, but yes, boot device LED light. Oh, well, maybe we should plug the graphics in and that would... That would help, so... I am 99% sure the screen should work plugged just into the motherboard. I did have it running off of my main monitor before. Yeah, we're still getting a boot device LED. I'm 99% sure the processor works. VGA LED again. It's possible both these graphics cards are dead. This one used to work. It's been a few years though. No integrated graphics on this CPU though. Then let's try different RAM. Who knows? Maybe different RAM. Now, I've got 2 sticks of RAM. I bought these with my very first full PC build. It's like DDR3 2400, so super fast DDR3, but it never worked properly, and I thought that was just because it was too fast, but it was actually because one of these sticks is messed up and doesn't work. So we'll try one and then the other, because one of them is known working and the other one does not work. So I guess we're just gonna go this slot here. Click, click. Yeah, the screen flickers when the power comes on, so it's got to have enough power, right? This time, DRAM LED. So that's probably the dead stick. Okay. Boot LED. VGA LED. So it is, yeah, it's possible that this card is dead too. It just died over the years sitting in my closet. Or this motherboard is fucked up. But it was being used by somebody for the last like 5 or 6 years, and they only just upgraded their PC, which is why I got my old hardware back. Let's just try one more slot. It can't be all the slots, can it? Yeah, a VGA light's back on. Okay, well, no, come on, go off. So I need to find a working GPU with an air cooler or integrated graphics on the CPU, which the motherboard doesn't even have support for. So, yeah, I'll go searching for another GPU. Okay, so I found in my closet a GTX 650 Ti 2 gig DDR5 card. I have no idea if it works. It looks pretty clean. Has a 6-pin connector. If this doesn't work, then I have no fucking clue. I mean, I have one more GPU, but it's a water-cooled card, so... Oh, this one posts.
The current BIOS settings do not fully support the boot drive. Click OK to enter the BIOS app.
I don't have a boot drive, so... Well, that's like the worst worst BIOS screen I've ever seen. It's so squished, but that means we have working. The boot device LED is on, but I'm assuming that's just because it has no boot device. VGA LED is not on. Okay, so there, we have a working PC that I can test. I do want to test these RAM sticks though, so DDR3 test, let's go. Yep.
Total memory 16 gigabytes DDR3. Sweet.
Okay, but now my next test is actually PSU test. Go get that PSU. Okay, so I'm putting a different PSU on to these connectors. Now normally you should never do this. However, in here is a 750 G2 and this is a 1000 P2 from EVGA. They both have the same exact pin layout, and if you don't know you have the correct pin layout, you will fry something. I fried a PSU because I was trying to use a I had to make a power connector for, I think it was Molex, to power my water pump, and I was too lazy to dig out the correct one, so I just found one. I repinned it to the correct layout, except I was wrong, and then I blew up the PSU. The pump was fine, but the PSU ate it. So, but these are guaranteed to be the same. This is a set of cable mod cables that work with the G2 and the P2. Turn it on. Got some lights. The fan in the PSU is not spinning because it's got eco mode. But this is a used PSU from eBay. So I gotta test it here before I ruin my own hardware, or my actual good, multi-$1,000 computer. And there we got post. Perfect. Let me flick the eco switch. At this side, right? Just so we can see the fan. There it goes. Whew. That's kind of loud. I don't know how often that'll actually come on in my system. I have another system with a 600 watt PSU with the eco mode, and even playing Grand Theft Auto on it, like with my Fury and 1700X. It never is yet to turn the fan on, and there's no switch for eco mode. That one is just eco. But yeah, we got same screen. And then we're in the BIOS. Sweet. PSU works. We found 2 dead GPUs. And the CPU and the motherboard still work as well from my test bench. Perfect.